Hi everyone, my name is Aman and I am a security engineer at Sennovate. Today I want to talk to you about Gluu Log4j scanner. It is a Python based tool that we have developed at Sennovate. It can use to scan a Gluu server and check it is vulnerable to Log4Shell or not. But before that, let us understand what Log4Shell is. On December 9, 2021, a zero-day vulnerability was publicly disclosed by Apache Software Foundation that took the world by storm. The CVSS score for this vulnerability was 10, which is the highest score possible. The reason for this was the vulnerability was based on a Log4j, a popular Java based login framework, and could result in a remote code execution, which basically means an attacker can execute any malicious code on the system which is using this vulnerable Log4j libraries. And Java being the most popular language around the globe, the use of this library was quite common. Now, as we have some basic understanding of Log4j now, let us look into what Gluu is. Gluu is a Java-based free open source identity and access management software. Since 2009, it is used on a large scale all around the world. Now, as Gluu is based on Java and log generation is an important aspect of all the IAM softwares, the Gluu uses Log4j framework for this purpose. And due to this, it makes it vulnerable to Log4Shell. Inside the Gluu container, not only one, many of the services use Log4j library, example Oxauth, Identity, IDP, etc. But not to worry. We at Sennovate have created a Gluu Log4j scanner that not only scan for the vulnerable files inside the Gluu server, but also help the user to patch them. Now I am going to show how we can use this Gluu Log4j scanner. First of all, go to the Sennovate GitHub and look for the Gluu Log4j repo. Now under how to install section, just copy the git command. You can use this command to clone the repository in your own Gluu server. Now go to the server where you have installed Gluu and log in inside the Gluu container using the above command. Now using the git command, clone the repository. Now cd inside the Gluu Log4j repo. Now to install all the required modules that we need to run this file, you can use the pip command that is given inside the GitHub readme. Just copy the command. Now paste the pip command in the Gluu server and press enter. As you can see, it is installing all the required modules. Now to run the Log4j scanner, under the usage section you can see the line you can use to run the script, that is python log4j scanner.py. Just copy it, just paste inside the server. This will start executing the log4j scanner. As you can see, first the scanner will check all the services that are running inside the Gluu, and then will scan all these services individually and check for the vulnerable files. As you can see, it has found around 24 files that are vulnerable. Now enter Y, and you can see all the action that will script will perform. It will first take a backup of all the services and then it will apply the patch. As you can see, it is now taking the backup of all the services and now it has started applying the patch. It will take some time. After applying the patch, you need to log out of the container and restart the container to use these new files that the patch has downloaded in your system. Now I am going to run the script again to check if the patch is applied successfully or not. As you can see, now all the files are not vulnerable. Now there is another feature of the Log4j scanner. Using the R flag, you can revert back to the point before the patch was applied. As you can see, it is reverting back to the point. Now I have reverted back to the point before the patch was applied. Now I will run the script again. And you can see these files are vulnerable once again. That's all about the Glue Log4j scanner. Thanks for watching.